Hi, my name's Nick Lopez. I'm the founder of Lime Painting. Today we are at an exterior restoration project in the Denver Country Club. This project, we had the absolute pleasure of working with these homeowners on restoring their property as it was heavily distressed. This home was built in the early 1900s, so there was plenty of lead throughout the property. This was a lead preventative project. There was also plenty of wood substrates throughout the home, from the fish scale siding to the window sills, fascia boards, soffits that needed to be replaced prior to us applying our top coat. So we went around the home, did our integrity test, checked to see which carpentry work we needed to do. From there, we restored the windows, replaced the window sills. We also replaced all the gutters. The existing gutter system was too small for the size of the roof, also was failing and didn't have integrity, so a lot of water was leaking down onto the lower substrates, compounding that water damage and turnover. It's the latest, greatest technology. These are seamless aluminum gutters. We also used a very high performance top coat product. It's my personal favorite. Twice as thick as your standard paint, very water resistant, great color retention, and an awesome satin sheen. The product is Duration from Sherwin-Williams. We also worked with the homeowners on transforming the colors of their home on a design consultation. Before, the body was a very dark red and there was white trim. You'll now see that there are more than just two colors, and we've really brightened up the home and helped accent a lot of the features throughout the property. I would like to thank you for tuning in to today's Restoration Aftershots, and as always, get limed.